Hi friends, welcome to this video. This is a Ambren power bank of 10400 mAh, means 10400 mAh, which is very good for phones or anything else. So just see, it is an Ambren India, various connection also given with this charger, mobile phones, BlackBerry, Nokia, Samsung. So it is good. It is its MRP is 3000 or something, 3199, but you will get it at low price, means you will get 50% discount also on this. It have LED display also, so check out this. So you will get this power bank. It is the, I thought it is good. I taken it 2 days before. It is working fine. It have one LED light also, which is also good, not much bright, but it is okay when you are in darkness. So here you will get some, it is not from it, you will get one wire by which you can charge this by connecting the mini charger, or and you will get these four things, means you can charge it, you can charge BlackBerry phones, also iPhones, or Android phones, Nokia phones, by um, these four things, connectors. So now it is the main battery. It is portable battery, comes with 1040 mAh. It have two outputs. One is 5 volt 1 ampere, and second one is 5 volt 2.1 ampere. It is 2.1 ampere and it is 1 ampere. Both give 5 volt. It is in input, means to charge the power bank. When I get this 77% battery charged, and I have to charge it for 4 hours. Yes, I think 4 hours. Then the battery is 100% charged. It will take, I think, 10 to 12 hours to fully charge when it is completely discharged. But it is good, means I am using Atrix 2 phone, so it can be charged 4 times by this charger, because 10400 is given, but every power charger cannot drive all power which it can store. So it can only charge up to 7000 or 8000 mAh, but it is also okay when you get it at this price and you are charge your phone 4 to 5 times, then it is good. If you are using Galaxy Y phone or some small phone, then it is also good for you, because battery is small, but you can charge it 5 to 6 times by this power charger. So just press it one time, it will show the charge remain 88. But when one main thing is somehow disappointing, Ambren logo is given like that, and you have to see the charge and all things like upper side. 91% charge right now, and it is showing out means it is now discharging. When you click again, it will just light up and show you correct, otherwise it will turn light off to save power. If you two times press this button, then the light will on, and after pressing 2 times it will off. If you long press this, then it will off. If you again click it, it will show the percentage. When you start charging from 2.1 volt or only one for 2.1 ampere or 1 ampere, because 5 volt is common for both, because 5 volt is required for every mobile or other devices. So when you start charging here, you will see here that 5 volt 2.1 ampere or 5 volt 1 ampere, it show all things here. It is small, but you can just click it, and when it light up, you can check how much it is showing. So it is easy to see, and also you can get here how much percentage battery is remaining. So it is very good when you going to any tour or anything, so you can easily get how much battery is remaining. You can also hear in and out. So while discharging, it show out, and when you plugged this power charge, it will show in when it is charging. One main thing is, while charging it cannot charge other phone, but it is non issue for every power bank, that it will not charge phone while it is charging. So other thing means it automatically close when work is done, so it is good. And charging, overcharging protection are also given. I think it is very good power bank, and it is working very good right now. Here 2.1 ampere is given to charge phones or anything very fastly, and 1 ampere is given for charge phone somehow slowly, but both are more than the given charger, the given our standard charger, means Motorola charger give 0.75 or 765 ampere, and Samsung charger will 0.5 or something. So it give more ampere, so it can make mobile's battery hot, but while charging the mobile phones or anything, any device, it cannot get hot itself. So it is good to carry this. If you have any Android device and you want to charge it with this power bank, then you have to just use the given wire and select how fast you have to charge your phone. I am charging it very fast, 2.1 ampere, and connect this cable with it, and just take your phone, and as you charge, always click on it. Now it will showing 9.1, it automatically starts, and it is also showing, I will show you by clicking it. It is showing 5 volt 2.1 ampere out, and 91% also. So it is very good. When you change the port, then it will show, it is not showing right now anything, and when you change the port, it will show 5.0 volt 1.0 ampere. So it is show all things, which is good also. And this LCD support is very good to know everything about this device. I think Ambren make the device is very good, finishing is good, looks are good, but one thing is they made that Ambren logo is at other side. It is okay, but the light is also okay, good, and the light up where it show the readings, it is also good. It show percentage is also good, where you connected 2.1 or 1 ampere, it is also shown here, which is also very good. All is operated by one button, so it is also, I think, good, and button is also very big and good. So I will suggest you to buy it, but one main thing is that no any user guide is there, so you have to check it and know it how it works, because only one button is there, so you have to check, and I checked and showing you how to do this. The user manual which given with this, it only shows the warnings and other things, but it is not only made for this device, means this power bank. So it is general user manual, not show exact things which you can do with this power button and what you have to do to operate LED light or close this. It will close automatically also, but if you long press it will directly close. So it is not shown in user manual. So they have to do at least one something which is for only this device, so we can get it easily. But I think you will also like it, and it is good product. So if you want any power charger for phone or anything, it is very good and very big battery charger, because 10,400 is very big amount. So just go and buy it. I think it is very good battery charger, power bank, when you are going to tour or anywhere. I think your mobile will definitely go longer than 1 week. Even if you are using Bluetooth headset or anything, you can use it. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question about this, then you will ask me. I purchased it before 3 days. So if you want to ask question, just comment, or if you want any information, then also comment below. I will give you the information. Thanks.